Hi everyone, welcome back to Diamond Paintings with Mike, and today we've got a small range unboxing. There wasn't really a lot there this week because I've mainly bought all like the small ones. So I'll be looking at like ordering the large ones now because they're far too big to carry back. And yeah, we've got a couple of things, one of which I've been teasing Hannah, so you're gonna have to wait to the end of this video, or you could just skip forward and see it. But I've been looking for this one for quite some time, and it's from the Harry Potter series. Be very, very careful when you order this because it is a mix and match. What I mean by that is if you go to order this online, it could be one design or it could be another design, and you don't know what design you're going to have. And I thought I'll have a look for this in the shop. And this is not with the diamond painting section. It's right over near the stationery section where like Harry Potter sort of painting stuff is. And this was tucked away in the corner. They only had two available. And I got myself this one, which I've been waiting to have for so long. Remember last year on the Harry Potter theme, I did the other one that matches this, which is a train on like a little bridge, the Hogwarts Express. And I thought I'm going to have a look in the shop. And there was two at the back and they stack them up like this. So you've got like this one and the train, this one and the train. So they literally only had two of these and I was like, I've got to have this. So it is a bit battered up at the edge, so hopefully nothing's missing. We'll get ourselves my crafting knife here and just get rid of that tape there. Okay, right. Let's have a look in here and see what we got, shall we? Oh my god, look at that. Oh wow. Oh my god, where's the drills? Is it in there? No, that's an empty box. Oh, this looks brilliant already. Oh wow, we've got a orange tray. Oh yes, you know how much I want to get rid of green trays, and I really want more trays of these. I want to get a blue one, so I'm confident that I can get one with a blue. And there is an orange pen, so very Harry Potter vibe going on here. I did have one of these ones before from the train that I did. But let's take a look at this, and look at this. Oh, isn't that lovely? Oh, wow. That is fabulous. I think this is not quite black. It looks like it's a very sort of navy colour there. This is absolutely fabulous. Now, with these sort of paintings, they do cut the border off for you, so it saves you a job of like putting washi tape and putting the border on. What I love about this is you've got that lovely H in the middle resembling Harry Potter, and you've got Gryffindor. Let's see if I can get this right. Gryffindor, Slytherin, Ravenclaw and Hufflepuff. So what I love about this also is that obviously we've got different colours for each house. You've got that lovely bold writing of Hogwarts, but the actual crest sections here, this is a crest, but they're really nice and big, really beautiful colours. And what's very nice about this as well is this is a partial, so the actual animal is a partial. We just paint around the back, and I think that's to like gives us a like glow in the dark, not glow in the dark, sorry, gives us an effect where it brings that animal out, you know. But this is fabulous. They've got these little swirls going around the edge here, and that again, this is very creative. What you could do here is cut this off, you know, put a piece of string, put like a little tiny hole in there, like perhaps in the gap between the two ones, and then hang it on the wall somewhere. You don't have to have this border. And if I can get another one of these, I think I'd have to like do one as like a painting, and then obviously do another one but cut out, you know, the crest. This is fabulous. I'm over the moon with this. Absolutely love me Harry Potter. So yeah, I'm always collecting merchandise for that. So that is that. And we've got our oh gosh, this is quite a short one. Blimey, we've only got 1 2 3 4 5 6. God, this has got a whiz. I hate when you've got like, you know, paintings that have loads and loads of colours and you're sitting there for God knows 2 hours trying to get it all up. But this is fabulous, isn't it? Look at that. You got that lovely tangy blue, which I imagine is probably going to be that blue there. You got the yellow, we got a butterscotchy colour there, and a green and a red and a brown. This is one hell of a beautiful painting. They've actually increased the wax as well by the looks of it, because that's quite a massive dollop of wax. Normally they're only about probably that small, but maybe it's my eyes, I don't know. But yeah, I think it's a tad bigger, but the fact that we've just got like a different coloured tray rather than green all the time, green is so boring. We want other colours. But yeah, I absolutely love this. Fabulous. Now for the bit for Hannah. Are you ready, Hannah? Drum roll, please. That was completely wrong. Oh no. Let's try that again. Are you ready, Hannah? Ready? Now, I had to get it, Hannah. You done a fabulous video. Hannah, Crafting with Hannah, very kindly put a video up, and she did a video of this. I think it was a shorts video, and I saw it and I was like, oh, I've got to see if I can find it. Now, when I got my, I think she did it around the time I did that massive Christmas train with the Santa and the Christmas train Santa Express painting unboxing, but they didn't have this at this time. And when I went there 2 days ago, I think it was, they had it, and I was like, right, that's it, it's coming home with me. I don't think I've ever done a diamond painting gingerbread house, and it looks really, really lovely so far. This is the ones where you get the brackets on the back. So do you put your brackets on, Hannah? For me, I do put them on the edge here of my paintings, so I do tend to put them on. But yeah, let's get into this because I'm super excited for this. So let's get into there and see whether we can see what this beautiful thing looks like. Oh, lots of buggies. Oh yeah, mum. That looks gorgeous. Okay, let's get into this. I really like the way they pack these. It's all like, it's not loose, it's all crammed into one thing, isn't it? So this is absolutely stunning, and I have to get into this. They always give you a whacking great big pack of bags, so I'm really happy with that. A nice big bundle there by the looks of it. And let's get into here and see what we have in here. Wow, is that gonna look? Oh yeah, look at that. Wow, so that's actually interesting, because on here it looks very sort of like clumped and pushed in, but whether it's going to be the same as that, that looks fabulous. It's so cute, isn't it? I love the way the trees are sort of like hiding the little house. It's like the trees are smothering it. Yeah, absolutely fantastic. This is going to turn out awesome. It'd be nice if we could put like a little gingerbread man there, cut out like a you know that painting I did from Temu, you know that little gingerbread that's sitting down here with the Christmas tree and it's got like a house. But you know, make yourself like a little paper gingerbread man and just stick him on there somewhere, like as if he's coming out the door. That would be fabulous. But yeah, we've got lots of snows here. This lovely sliver of like a minty green. It's almost like you want to eat it, doesn't it? I mean, gingerbread houses, that's what you do. There are kits on Amazon where you can actually buy your own gingerbread house and decorate it, and they do a Cadbury version, so you can get a Cadbury house as well. I'll put the link for that in the video description in case you want to get some. But this is going to turn out lovely. I think this is like a splatter of gingerbread biscuit maybe. It's sort of like not gone right in the oven. But this brickwork is fabulous, isn't it? Really, really lovely. I love the icy sort of blue as well going on there. This is absolutely stunning, and I'm so happy with this. I cannot thank Hannah enough for doing the video. I didn't know anything about this until she did a video on it, and I was like, oh, I've so got to get that. So Hannah, that's the other surprise. I couldn't resist buying it, so you are a great influencer. And let's take a look at our drills, shall we? So yeah, wow. Let's go into here. I still haven't shown you my vintage dog that I bought. I'll have to squeeze that in somewhere. I'm so busy with like the range. They're dominating the unboxings, the range at the moment. It's just a fantastic shop. But as I said, we're getting Woolworths soon, so it'd be nice to see if they're going to do diamond paintings in there, because that's like an all sorts shop. It does all sorts of wonderful things. Now in here we've got our minty green, we've got an orange and a white, and we've got an icy blue, a yellow, a lilac, and a brown, and a red. That's probably 666. We don't actually have the chart here. This is the thing with, this is done by another company called McNeil, but some of them do include the schematic, some don't, and it's quite difficult when you don't have the schematic. Some of them do print them on the side here, but I don't use them because they don't give me the DMC coding, so that's pointless to me. because I wouldn't be able to tell you what jewel is this because it doesn't have it printed. We got the orange there, and a blue, and a green, and a sort of browny colour. Again, the sort of really manky looking green there, and a blue there. So absolutely fabulous. So as I said, there wasn't really a lot there because I've mainly bought all the ones that are on the shelf. So unfortunately we only have the 2 here today. Next time I go to the range, I'm probably going to leave the range for a bit now because obviously I can't imagine there being much more smaller ones coming in, but there may be. I want to focus on a bit of the larger ones now, so there's about 6 large ones that I've seen, but there is no way I'm carrying that back on a train. I'd have to order that in, so I'm probably going to do an order next time. And we've also got the Harry Potter. So yeah, so it's a short one. There wasn't really much there this week, but thank you very much for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and of course if you want any of these products, as always the links are in the description of the video. Please remember to tap the notification bell so that you don't miss out on the diamond painting action on this channel, and always subscribe to the channel. We'd love to have you here. Until next time, thank you for watching.